Are you confused about what you can eat if you have diabetes? Do you believe you must avoid all carbohydrates or that eating more fruits and vegetables is always healthy? In this video, we'll break down popular diet myths about diabetes and share 5 proven tips for eating the right way to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Watch till the end. Managing diabetes starts with the right knowledge and the right tools. Regularly check blood sugar levels with a glucometer, choose balanced meals like oats with fresh fruits and vegetables, and remember, eating healthy. This diagram shows that diabetic patients typically have low insulin and high glucose levels in their bodies. To increase insulin and reduce blood sugar levels, a diabetic patient should focus on regular physical activity, eat more fiber-rich foods. Select complex carbohydrates and low-fat curd. Stay hydrated with water and unsweetened liquids. Schedule regular meals and snacks to keep blood sugar stable. If you find it helpful, do follow.